In a cozy nest nestled amongst the reeds lived Mama Duck and her 7 fuzzy ducklings. Now, these weren't your average ducklings. They were a particularly curious bunch, led by the fluffiest, most energetic one named Pip. One sunny morning, Mama Duck decided to give her little ones their first swimming lesson. With a proud waddle, she led them down to the glistening pond. But Pip, ever the adventurer, spotted a bright red toy boat bobbing on the water. "Ooh, shiny!" Pip squeaked, his tiny yellow body wobbling with excitement. Before Mama Duck could quack a warning, Pip launched himself towards the boat with a determined quack. The other ducklings, mesmerized by Pip's bravery, or perhaps his terrible idea, all followed with a flurry of tiny paddles. Mama Duck watched in horror as her fluffy flotilla chased the boat across the pond. Meanwhile, a grumpy old catfish named Whiskers was napping under a lily pad when a tiny yellow blur torpedoed right into him. It was Pip, beak wide open in a triumphant quack. Whiskers, startled awake, launched himself out of the water in a comical spray, his whiskers twitching in annoyance. One by one, the other ducklings crashed into Whiskers, sending him on a hilarious underwater roller coaster ride. Mama Duck, finally catching up, could only quack in exasperation as the catfish became a grumpy, whiskered taxi for her out-of-control ducklings. Just then, a gentle breeze caught the boat, sending it sailing towards the reeds. The ducklings, realizing their mistake, or perhaps finally tiring themselves out, paddled back to Mama Duck, all looking a little sheepish, and Whiskers looking decidedly damp. Shaking her feathers in mock disapproval, Mama Duck nudged them gently. "Well, that was quite a swim class," she quacked, a hint of amusement in her voice. "Next time, shiny objects can wait until after your lessons, all right?" The ducklings, all piled together in a damp, fluffy cuddle puddle, just peeped in agreement. As for Whiskers, he grumbled under his breath about inconsiderate ducklings and went back to his nap, forever wary of anything too yellow and fuzzy. Pen_SparkTune share more_vert.